how to use ChatGPT's desktop app versus web version. This is what we're gonna dive in today. There are different features in those two versions. We will go together through one example and see what is different. So let's get started and see how it works. So here we are within our web version of ChatGPT. In case you're new to the whole environment, here are our previous conversations. Here is the new chat that we can get started with. You can find here ChatGPT 4.0 and the other models. I am here on the Plus version. So if you don't see all those things in the free version yet, stay tuned because it will come up probably and hopefully soon. I checked my free version today and I cannot see everything there. Temporary chat, the chat won't appear in history or be used to train models. For safety purposes, we may keep a copy of this chat for up to 30 days. So keep in mind, if you use this temporary chat, you will be not seeing this once you refresh the site. It's then gone. This may or may not have happened to me. So I will just take this out again. Here you can find your plan. If you want to upgrade, you would go in here as well. You can see your own custom GPTs. The GPT store is free, available for everybody. Customized ChatGPT, you can basically add in here your custom instructions. I will not go into this here deep dive, but in another video. Then, of course, your overall settings. And here you can download the Mac OS app version. If you don't see this here, you can find a video where I share another way to download the app for Mac. Unfortunately, it's available for Mac OS at the moment only. Maybe this will change in the future. We will see. If so, I will keep you up to date. Let's get started with our example that we will dive into once in this web version and then do the same in the app version. I have created and downloaded a file for us that is a social media engagement data. If you are looking for some data for visualization or experimentation and testing like I do here right now, there is no data that has any personal information whatsoever. It's publicly available for free. I will share the link in the comments below. So let's choose this one, open it, and use the prompt that I have prepared for us. Data analyst, analyzing trends, patterns, and strategies for optimal social media engagement. Can you share with me what to get started with? So we will have here our own data analyst by Chatty, how I call it. And then we will see what we can do there. Because maybe we have just downloaded this from LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or any other platform of your choice. And we are just wondering, okay, I have an idea, but what can I do? And once this is done, you can see here, this file is being uploaded. It's GPT 4.0, but it still takes a while depending on how big it is. If the file is too big, it will tell you that it is too big and suggest a solution. So don't worry, just try it out and see what it will come up with. There you go. I want to show you the first great feature that we have here. You can first of all see the working file. So when you click on that, working file, countries or areas, we can also filter within this whole web version of ChatGPT. I think that's already awesome. So let's keep it like that. You can download it here or expand the table so you can see it here on the left. In a bigger form, you can scroll through this here like in any other spreadsheet. So let's close this again and go to our chat here. Step 1, data cleaning and preparation. Step 2, exploratory data analysis. Step 3, trend analysis, audience analysis, sentiment analysis, strategy recommendations, and summary statistics and distribution. I will perform the following analysis. Summary statistics, get a summary of the key metrics, distribution plots, visualize the distribution of likes, comments, shares, and engagement rates. How amazing is that? You can view here the analysis. You can basically see what ChatGPT has done in the background. You can see here the whole visualization of the distribution of engagement. I think just from the get-go. Then the summary statistics of social media engagement metrics. You can download it or expand it and go through that. Then you have here the summary statistics of social media engagement metrics. Everything worked out for us beautifully. Key observations and next steps in analysis. And this everything just by this one prompt that we have shared here at the beginning. I would say that this is a huge time saver and a great helper when it comes to analyzing data as a non-data analyst. So I will just for, the whole purpose here, just use the next one, explore optimal posting times for engagement, what it's suggested here by ChatGPT. And then let's see what we will get here. Step 1, extract time, post time step, analyze. So he's sharing with us the whole step. Then analyzing it, as we can see here. And then let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. Extracting time and weekday information, hourly engagement metrics. Again, you can go through here. It's straight away. You can choose here a whole column or a whole row, or basically just the cell in here, and then share a question just and chat about only this particular cell or whatever you choose within your metrics. So you can continue asking it, checking what is happening in here, what to do, and all those things. Overall, this is great. And now we will go into the app version and do kind of exactly the same and see what will happen there. Here we go. The app version, a little bit different. You can see all your models when we go in here. You can upload a file, upload a photo, take a screenshot, basically everything that you have open. You can take a screenshot from. I personally think that this is cool. I will demonstrate it just briefly in here. This is our data, and here you can see it's a screenshot from the spreadsheet that we wanted to use. This is not available in the web version. I use it quite a lot if I want to chat about certain areas of an article with ChatGPT and see and brainstorm and evaluate. You can also do this with any kind of other document. I will, for our purposes, again, just upload our social media engagement data and shoot the same prompt like before and see what ChatGPT will come up with. There you go. Analyzing. You can see this looks like a message app. I like the view because we are familiar with that. You will see straight away how this is a little bit different. And you can then, of course, depending on your personal preference, but also, of course, use cases, where to implement this in your day-to-day workflow. I can highly recommend this so you don't have to learn any kind of super tricks for Excel. So here we have exactly the same prompt, and this is basically here the output. Again, beautifully done, step by step, data overview understanding. Next step, data cleaning, initial exploratory data analysis. Let's proceed with these steps. Now, ChatGPT is analyzing initial findings. Next step, I will ask to visualize the key metrics and see what we will get here. But you can see already that the answer is not as rich as the web version, especially with the spreadsheets worked out for us, with the visualization done for us already. It looks differently. You can click on it and see the preview here a little bit bigger. I prefer the other version more. And if you need further analysis or specific visualization on certain aspects, please let me know. You can copy the answer, regenerate it, let Chatty read it aloud for you, or change here the models. This is the same like online. But here you can see it's the table displaying the platform engagement metrics is available for your review. If you have any specific questions or further analysis based on this data, please let me know. So when I click in here, I can see the import, display the platform engagement metrics in a table. And this is here the result, but it's not in the same user-friendly way how I personally would like to have it. That's it. I hope you've got a little bit of an idea how the user interface and user experience is within the web and the app version of ChatGPT. There are any kind of updates ongoing. I personally think that it's worth using both of them for different use cases, but the day-to-day engagement with Chatty is for me within the app version, where I take some kind of screenshot for certain things that I want to chat about, brainstorm about, or generate content, generally speaking. If I want to go deeper into data analysis or any kind of visualization, then I would probably recommend the web version at the moment. So that was all from my side. I hope you've got insights. Thank you so much, and I talk to you soon.